Best hybrid cars for 2024, Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. In the realm of eco-friendly vehicles, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid emerges as a standout choice, offering a compelling combination of fuel efficiency, affordability, and advanced features. As the automotive industry continues to prioritize sustainability, the Elantra Hybrid sets new benchmarks for eco-conscious driving without breaking the bank. At the heart of the 2024 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid lies a highly efficient hybrid powertrain engineered to deliver exceptional fuel economy without compromising on performance. The Elantra Hybrid features a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined output of 139 horsepower. This powertrain is mated to a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive acceleration while maximizing fuel efficiency. With its hybrid technology, the Elantra Hybrid achieves impressive fuel economy ratings, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious drivers looking to save on fuel costs without sacrificing performance. Practicality and versatility are key attributes of the 2024 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid's design. The Elantra Hybrid offers a spacious and comfortable interior, with seating for up to 5 passengers and ample cargo space for luggage or groceries. Its sleek exterior styling, featuring aerodynamic lines and bold accents, not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to its fuel efficiency. The Elantra Hybrid's affordability and low ownership costs further add to its appeal, making it an attractive option for families, commuters, and anyone seeking an efficient and practical vehicle. Inside, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid boasts a modern and well-appointed cabin with a range of convenience and technology features. Premium materials, ergonomic design elements, and intuitive controls create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere for both drivers and passengers. The standard Hyundai SmartSense suite of driver assist features provides added peace of mind on the road, with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Technology-wise, the Elantra Hybrid is equipped with a variety of connectivity and entertainment features to enhance the driving experience. The standard touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless integration with smartphones, allowing drivers to access navigation, music, and other apps with ease. Available upgrades include a premium audio system, wireless charging, and a heads-up display, providing added convenience and entertainment options for occupants. Competing in the hybrid car segment, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid faces rivals such as the Toyota Corolla Hybrid, Honda Insight, and Kia Niro Hybrid. Each offers its own blend of fuel efficiency, performance, and features, but the Elantra Hybrid stands out for its affordability, practicality, and generous warranty coverage. In conclusion, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid sets new standards for efficiency and affordability in the hybrid car segment, offering a compelling combination of fuel economy, comfort, and advanced features. Whether for daily commuting or weekend getaways, the Elantra Hybrid delivers an eco-friendly driving experience without compromising on value or quality, reaffirming Hyundai's commitment to innovation and sustainability.